Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the digital time, date, and year on your G-Shock watch. So, let's get started. First, make sure you're in timekeeping mode. To do this, press the mode button multiple times until you see the seconds displayed on the small screen. This means you're in timekeeping mode. Next, press and hold the adjust button until the seconds start flashing. This means you're now in setting mode. Now, press the mode button twice to highlight the home city code, time zone. Use the reverse and forward buttons to select your correct time zone. Once the time zone is set, press the mode button again, the hour will start flashing. Use the reverse and forward buttons to adjust it. Press mode again to move to the minutes, then adjust them the same way. Next, press mode again to select the 12-hour or 24-hour format and choose your preferred option. Now, press mode to adjust the year, using the reverse and forward buttons. Press mode again to set the month, then adjust it as needed. Press mode once more to adjust the date and select the correct day. Once everything is set, press mode twice to finalize the settings. Finally, press the adjust button to save and exit. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.